I need space, I told you yesterday. Slow the pace down, let her see your face. Can we do that tomorrow? Cause now you're moving in on my skin.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really complex gold glitter cut crease cat eye look. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And I had a lot of fun creating this look. It's super different and I just felt like being super artistic with it. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my lids, and I'm going to be using this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer to prime, and I've been using this to prime my eyelids recently, and I've actually really been liking it. Super comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, but a little bit more hydrating, and I'm just applying a nice even base onto my eye and blending it out with a damp sponge and then setting it with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm picking up the Violet Voss hashtag palette, and I've really been digging into some old palettes. I just really want to create different looks using different palettes, so that's why I picked this one up. And I just picked up the Savage shade, and I'm just starting to buff this into my crease with this fluffy brush, and I am doing a kind of winged out motion on that outer corner, so I'm not rounding it out. And then I'm going into the darker orange shade in the palette called Goals, and with an angled brush I'm just starting to add definition into the crease. And you want to grab a brush that's going to really help give you some definition, so grab a detailed angled brush, and I am going slightly above my natural crease and then winging it out. Next, I picked up a tapered brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions and just really diffusing that line and making sure that everything is nice and blended. Next, I'm going to be carving my lid, and I'm using my Tarte Clay Pot in the color Goldilocks, and I absolutely love this product for carving the lid. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid as well, and just really trying to get a nice even base. And it's honestly one of my favorite ways to just make the next shade really pop. So I'm going into this light gold shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be applying this to the center of my eyelid. And as you can see, it made that yellow eyeshadow super vibrant, and it just made it look really, really intense. So I just applied that to the center, and then I'm going to be going in with a pigment on the outer and inner corner. But first I'm picking up this Too Faced glitter glue because this pigment does have quite a bit of fallout. This one is by Jessie's Girl. I will leave the name of that product in the description box down below, but I'm just patting this on the inner and outer corner like I said before. And this is one of my favorite loose eye dusts. It's absolutely gorgeous, especially all over the lid. And then I'm going back into that Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm just applying that into my crease. Next, I picked up one of my favorite gold glitters. It is the Shop Violet Voss Holy Grail glitter, and I'm just patting that into my crease directly over top of where we applied that glitter glue. And when I apply glitter into the crease, I do a few layers, and then I'm putting some on the lid, so I wanted to put some glitter glue on the lid as well. And I'm just really patting that onto the very center of my lid. And then next, I'm going into that dark orange shade once again, and I'm just applying that onto my lash line and kind of applying it like a smoky liner. And then I'm going into this shade right here called TBT, which is a purple shade, and I'm going in with my angled brush and going over top of that orange shade. And I just really have been loving eyeshadow as liner, so I just thought that I would do it for this look as well. So I felt like the crease needed a little bit more definition, so I went in with that angled brush and that TBT color, and I just applied some to the crease really precisely, and then I grabbed this pencil brush with that darker orange shade and just really tried to diffuse it after I applied it. For lashes, I applied my Shop Sofie Bella Bali lashes, so the link to check out those lashes will always be in the description box down below. For my waterline, I went in with my Mr. Right Seymour Love Letter liner, and then I'm just applying the same colors that I applied in the crease on my lower lash line. And then going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes. And then that first yellow shade that we applied to the center of our lid, I'm just applying that onto the inner corner. And I absolutely love the way a gold inner tear duct highlight looks for this look. And then I just ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you watched it to the very end, thank you so much. Also, guys, we have monthly giveaways on our channel, so if you guys want to be entered for a chance to win some goodies, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, so hit that bell button, and then comment done in the comment section down below. We're about to pick this month's winner, so good luck to everyone, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!